Justices ruled that taking DNA is okay after an arrest for what the court calls serious crimes. Now, here's how it's working in Missouri. These are offender hits. This could be a detective, for example, finding DNA at a crime scene. It's a hit when it matches someone's DNA who is already in the database. 2004, 41 hits. Then the Highway Patrol says new rules about collecting the samples kicked in. It jumped to 175. And then in 2009, 895 hits.
Christian County deputies can take a suspect's mugshot, fingerprints, and DNA in some cases.
Crimes like murder, assault in the first degree, assault in the second degree. You've got the burglary in the first degree.
Christian County prosecutor Amy Feit says DNA can help ID suspects or clear them.
They were a suspect, but you've got a DNA sample and you can exclude them, then that is a very beneficial thing to that person.
So if the suspect is arrested in one of these cases, officers will swab the mouth, put it on a piece of paper, and send it off.
There's also a mechanism built into the current statute we operate under that if DNA is taken from an arrestee and no charges are later filed, there's a mechanism within that to expunge that particular sample,
removing it from the database. In the Maryland case, Justice Antonin Scalia wrote a dissenting opinion calling the ruling an incursion upon the Fourth Amendment. Others echo his concerns.
It allows the police to search for evidence of unsolved crimes by taking DNA samples from people who they have no reason to suspect have any relationship to those crimes.
It's a very useful tool for law enforcement.
And rules in the last decade are helping Missouri's DNA collection expand.
According to the Highway Patrol, the number of DNA samples collected in Missouri between 2004 and 2010 jumped from 27,000 to nearly 216,000.